Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. If you had a bad day and you're feeling shitty, you gotta get yourself a cabinet kitty.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Meow 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 meow.
Look who's coming for dinner.
And
Get down, Meatball. This is not safe.
Shit.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Nom 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 nom.